Many friends are asking what this adapter converter V2 that comes with the transmission dedicated connectors used for. So let me introduce it to you today. Our special adapter mainly used with third-party equipment. That is to say, this adapter connects to the TCM dedicated connector, can make this dedicated connector a test platform to let us do diagnostics or test on this ECU. So I'm going to show you how to do the diagnosis. And this adapter supports external independent power supply. I'm going to demonstrate now. We can make a connection like this. Connect the entire Bluetooth head here. Supply 12 volts. Then we can do the diagnostic for this ECU module through this dedicated test platform. After transferring the adapter, make this connector into test platform. Now we enter the diagnostic system. We can see that these are the information for this ECU. This is a TQ400D transmission ECU. After enter the diagnostic system, we can do these functions we need. We can see the mileage here. That's what it does.